Hey everybody, welcome back. Happy 4th of July to everybody in the US. For everybody else in the world, this is just another day for you. But thanks for tuning in and watching. So just out in the garage today doing some cleanup and everything else. I want to give a shout out to one of my subscribers. He goes by the name of Derredmax. He was watching the videos on the XCR and saw that I was working with the 38s, and he reached out to me through YouTube and says, hey, you know what, I have an XLT that has 34mm carbs and I have these carb kits for 38s. He goes, do you want them? And I go, yeah, absolutely. And he said, you know what, don't worry about sending me anything, I'm just going to drop them in the mail. You know what, your channel has helped me out quite a bit in my projects and everything else, so I'm sending them out free of charge. And so Jared, thank you very much for sending them out. We're going to use them on the XCR project. Probably in the next couple of weeks when I'm on vacation, we'll use these to actually do a full complete rebuild on the carbs. Because essentially what I did is I just used whatever I had between the original and the replacement carbs. So we'll go ahead and use these and do a full complete rebuild and go from there. So again, thank you very much, Derredmax. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope everybody else is having a great on this 4th of July. And I'll talk to everybody later. Thanks. See you later. Bye.